Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a sweet snack with apples. Let's see how to make these sugar glazed apple fritters. Into a pan add some butter. Once the butter is melted, toss in some chopped apples and saute it for a couple of minutes until it gets soft and releases some water. Add some sugar and cinnamon powder into it and mix it nicely. Now this step of cooking apples is just optional. If you like, you can just add the chopped apples into the flour mixture and make this snack. But cooking apple with cinnamon powder and sugar will really enhance the flavor of the snack. Now our apples are ready. Let's make the flour mix. Add in some all-purpose flour, salt, cinnamon powder and some baking powder. Mix everything really well. So this is the dry ingredients. Now let's mix in the wet ingredients for this snack. Add in 1 egg, little bit of sugar. Mix it nicely. Into that add in some melted butter and some milk. You can also add in few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. Now mix both the wet and dry ingredients together and make a semi-thick batter. Once the flour is well mixed in with the wet ingredients, drop in the cooked apples. Now mix it really well. And after adding the apples, if you feel the batter becomes a bit loose, you can add more flour. Now our batter for the apple fritters are ready. Now heat some oil. And let's start frying these fritters. We can just scoop out these batters and pour it directly into the oil. The oil should be a medium heat or else it will not completely get cooked inside. Flip this in between and fry it till it gets a nice golden brown shade. The fritters are ready. Take it out into a strainer to strain out all the excess oil from it. Now let's make some sugar glaze for these fritters. For that, into some powdered sugar, add some vanilla essence and some water. Now instead of water, if you have apple juice, you can add that as well. And mix it nicely till you get these ribbon consistency. Dip each of these apple fritters in this sugar glaze. And serve it. These apple fritters smells amazing. And just think about it. When it is raining, you're having these hot and soft apple fritters with these sugar glaze. Oh, it's heaven. You can have it even if it's not raining. It tastes equally delicious. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.